Welcome back. Today, we're checking out the top 5 wireless automobile chargers for convenient charging on the road. Let's quickly explore 5 great options for your car setup.
Number 1. 3-in-1 wireless car charger. The 3-in-1 wireless car charger mount combines a phone holder and 15W Qi wireless charging in one convenient car accessory. Its auto-clamping arms securely hold compatible iPhone and Samsung Galaxy devices, while the 360 degrees ball joint and adjustable arm make it easy to find the right viewing angle. With dashboard, windshield, and vent mounting options, plus a strong suction cup, it's a versatile choice for navigation and hands-free driving. Number 2. 15W wireless car charger. The 15W wireless car charger mount combines fast wireless charging with a convenient auto-clamping phone holder for hands-free driving. It supports compatible iPhone and Samsung Galaxy models, with charging speeds depending on the device. The mount can be positioned on the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, while its adjustable design helps provide a comfortable viewing angle. For faster charging, a compatible QC 3.0 car adapter may be required. Number 3. Mosurr 15W wireless car charger. The Mosurr 15W wireless car charger combines convenient phone mounting with wireless charging and colorful RGB lighting. It features 7 single-color modes plus a rainbow breathing effect, adding a stylish touch while improving visibility at night. The auto-clamping arms securely hold compatible phones, while the adjustable 360-degree design helps you find a comfortable viewing angle. It supports various iPhone and Samsung Galaxy models, though a QC 3.0 car adapter is required for fast charging modes. Number 4. 15W wireless car charger. This 15W wireless car charger combines fast wireless charging with an automatic clamping phone holder for convenient, hands-free driving. It supports a wide range of iPhone and Samsung Galaxy models, with charging speeds varying by device. The mount works on dashboards, windshields, and air vents, making it flexible for different vehicles and viewing preferences. Its auto-clamping design helps keep your phone securely positioned for navigation, calls, and everyday driving. Number 5. 3-in-1 MagSafe wireless charger. This 3-in-1 MagSafe wireless charger stand is a convenient charging solution for your Apple devices, allowing you to charge an iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. It offers up to 15W wireless charging for compatible iPhones, while strong N52 magnetic alignment keeps the phone securely positioned in portrait or landscape mode. The adjustable blue ambient light adds a stylish touch to your desk or nightstand, and built-in safety protection helps guard against overheating and overcharging. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews every week.